going to give you guys a review of my Powerhorse 2000 inverter generator. I bought this at Northern Tool for $500 out the door. I bought it for my truck camper. I wanted something to power the air conditioner, possibly, and then obviously charge my battery whenever I'm boondocking, dry camping, where I'm not able to plug in. But this thing has really did wonders for me. It hasn't missed a beat so far. I compared it to the Predator, but I chose this one because it has the RV plug, and obviously that's the main purpose that I bought this unit. I just got done changing the oil, the second oil change, which was recommended after 25 hours. I had one cool mod. So here is your spark plug door, I guess you could call it. Give access to your spark plug. And then I bought one of these cheap hour meters, the one that you wrap around your spark plug wire. I zip tied it here to this little flange here, and then I stuck it to the gas tank. As you can see, it's showing 17.7 hours. And then I used some of it's kind of like Velcro, it's the command strips. I put one on each end, and it just, see if I can get a better view. All it does is you just stick it there and push it. And I haven't had any problems with it overheating. It doesn't seem to get too awfully hot in there. And then the gas tank, you know, it gets warm, but it's not enough to affect the stickiness of that command strip. So that was a cool mod. Like I said, I actually put that gauge on after 8 hours after my first oil change. So it's got around 25 hours on it, and it's been a really good generator so far. It does power my air conditioner, which I believe is a 13,500 BTU. It will start it in low with my outlet breaker cut off, but it seems to shut off in high after like 5 minutes of running. It will start it, but it doesn't run it very long. So I'll give you a fire up of the generator. Probably in run. That was with the eco mode on. It's fairly quiet. That's with it off. And I'm about to change the spark plug to an NGK. I'm sure that would be good after a second oil change. But I thought I'd just let y'all know the Powerhorse 2000 is a good inverter generator for camping. Thank you.